What up? It's your boy King Down 225 coming at you with another reactionary video. So hit the like, subscribe, become part of the kingdom. Man, I want y'all to come look at the ratchetness in this shit. Oh my god. It is almost funny. It ain't funny, but my community, we gotta do better, bro. I don't know what your parents did. I don't know who advised you. I don't know where your daddy at. I don't know where the niggas who got y'all pregnant at. I don't know what the fuck. What the fuck is going on? But it started pissing me off. This hot girl something. Oh, bro. Let's just get to the video. All that for some fucking wigs. I mean, I was there at first. I was like, man, if they did that, they stealing food and some shit, they hungry. I can excuse it. But some fucking wigs? Bro. Two women and one with a baby pepper sprayed the shop owner and ran away with merchandise. Let's get to this shit. This is some ratchet. Do better. I want to, like, man, I can't wait till I get my Patreon popping. Because I want my language to be 100% unfiltered. Like, when I say 304, I want to call it what it is. I don't want to say no 304. Man, y'all 30. Play this shit. See, when you're in the hood, bro, you almost gotta have a spidey sense of when nigga them about to happen. You know, when nigga ish about to happen, you gotta have a nigga shit spidey sense. And how these motherfuckers came in, like, man, what kind of nigga shit about to happen? Oh my god, bro, y'all not walking with purpose. One of these hoes One of these 304's is pregnant, and one of them holding a baby. You turn your back on these, man. Y'all out your mind, bro. Look, y'all. That was too much shit. All of them lashed and weaved up and bro, man, this like a ratchet bitch uniform. Look at her. Look how she holding that goddamn baby, bro. You know the worst part of this shit? She said how much they is, all of them 30. I think that's what they said. So y'all committed this shit for 90. I don't know if it's 3 or 4 weeks for $90 $120 worth of wigs. Man, I tell you, that is some ratchet ass shit. Ooh. Y'all think I be bullshit when I be saying how much of a bad example some of these mothers be out here. Like, it's just real delusional because the world assists them so much. Sometimes they become entitled to whatever they want. I, as a young man, was taught if a man don't work, he don't eat. That's how I was taught. I ain't got no right to go taking nobody else shit just because I want it. If you want it, you better go out there and get it. I mean, work hard for it, not steal it. And be, oh man. Just GHETTO. It's your boy King Down 225 with another reaction to that video. Hit that like and subscribe and become part of the kingdom. I remember at one point it was like only thing that was in my community was like liquor stores and churches. Now only thing in my community is liquor stores, churches, dollar stores, and beauty supply stores. Fucking ridiculous.